The buff and cap combo offers great sun protection. It does not flap around in windy conditions and works well with sunglasses. Helmets should be worn when in moving water, wave zones, whilst caving, and when in and around rock gardens. The adapter cap is a great substitute for the buff and cap combo. I always carry spares just in case others may lose their headwear. The bug net. I don't leave home without one. I'm an insect bug magnet. Stop losing your sunnies with the Hides H2O floating sunglass strap. They also double and protect your lenses as well.